Hello, hello. Welcome to a wonderful day of statistics. Today, I'm just going to give you a brief little introduction for our pen night, our parent information night, as to what statistics is all about. Statistics is a little different than most math classes. In this particular class, we're more focused on interpreting data, explaining data, talking about why this particular thing is important, why that part isn't. And it's not so much about the process of finding the right answers, that is part of it, but just as important is explaining why the answer is correct or why it's important or interpreting the answer and all of that fun stuff. So this math class is a little bit different than most of the others taught here at King's because of that. Students are going to be working on taking notes during class, and then they'll have homework that they'll be working on. For the first chapter, the one that we're currently in, students are working on paper versions of the homework. Starting in chapter 2, students will start working on homework in an online program that we have purchased to do things with statistics. And there will be chapter tests. Those will probably be happening about every other week as we're going through the curriculum. And we'll also have the midterm and the final. Since most of the students in the class are seniors, finals for our class will be happening earlier than it is for other classes because graduation happens the week before most of the school is taking their finals. Your student can get concurrent credit for this particular course. That's one of the big major highlights. It does cost money to do the concurrent credit, but it's significantly cheaper than taking the class from a college. So that's one of the bonuses of that. Statistics transfers to every school. Regardless of where your student is going, statistics is statistics, and Northwest University teaches statistics. That's where you are concurrent credit through, and that same statistics class should transfer to any other university that your student is planning on attending, or of course Northwest University. And depending on what your student is planning on majoring in, this could be the last math class that they have to take. So that's pretty awesome. There is a form that your student will need to fill out and then get signatures from you, and then they will be sending you a bill sometime later in the semester for the concurrent credit classes after they get everything squared away with the university and everything's finalized and set up. I think those are the big major things. Occasionally we'll be working on projects in class or other various things, but for the most part, it's just work on some notes, do some homework, take a test. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, concerns, comments, or queries by replying to the email that I sent this one out. The email address is lnorton at kingsschools.org. I had to remember what the at was there for a second. And yeah, email's the best way to get a hold of me, and I usually reply within 24 hours. I'm looking forward to working with you and your students. Happy mathing!